Welcome back, friends. Today on the Daily House Ideas, we're stepping into the most beautiful world of European farmhouse design, and trust me, this one is absolutely stunning. We're exploring open shelving ideas woven through every single corner of a charming summer farmhouse home. From the sun-drenched facade all the way to the cozy garage, every space tells a story. If you love warm, lived-in, beautifully styled homes, hit that like button right now and subscribe so you never miss a single design moment with us. Before we even step inside, let's talk about that curb appeal. A true European farmhouse exterior speaks in whitewashed stone, warm timber accents, and climbing greenery like hydrangeas or jasmine trailing up the walls. Think board and batten siding painted in soft linen or warm white, paired with aged bronze hardware on the front door. Window boxes overflowing with lavender and sage bring that Provençal countryside feeling home. For summer, add a simple wicker lantern beside the door and a linen welcome wreath. The exterior sets your entire design story. Make it whisper warmth before guests even knock. Step inside and your entryway should immediately feel like a deep exhale. In European farmhouse style, the entryway is both beautiful and deeply functional. Mount a rustic wooden peg rail along the wall for hanging coats, straw hats, and woven tote bags. Below it, tuck in a slim shoe cabinet in painted sage green with vintage brass knobs. Add a cushioned bench in natural linen for seating while you slip off shoes. A carved wooden mirror with a distressed finish bounces light beautifully. Finish with a jute mat and a small ceramic bowl for keys. Simple, purposeful, gorgeous. The living room in a European farmhouse home is where comfort meets quiet elegance. Anchor the space with a linen sofa in warm oatmeal or dusty cream, layered with textured throw pillows in sage, terracotta, and muted stripes. Choose a chunky wooden coffee table with natural grain. Imperfections are welcome here. Open shelving along one wall becomes your styling canvas. Stack aged books, ceramic vessels, trailing pot hose, and a cluster of beeswax candles. For summer, swap out heavier textiles for lighter cotton throws. This is the art of wabi-sabi living, finding beauty in honest, natural imperfection. European farmhouse dining rooms celebrate togetherness above everything. Choose a long, solid oak farmhouse table with natural finish, the kind that gets more beautiful with every dinner party scratch. Layer the table with a textured linen runner, mismatched vintage candlesticks, and a low centerpiece of dried wildflowers in a stoneware jug. Seating mixes wooden chairs with a bench on one side, relaxed and inviting. Hang an aged iron chandelier overhead for warm, golden ambience. On a nearby open shelf, display your favorite serving dishes, breadboards, and seasonal greenery. Every detail says, sit down, slow down, and stay a while. Now, the star of our video, the kitchen. European farmhouse kitchens breathe through open shelving, and this is where your personality truly shines. Replace upper cabinets on one wall with floating reclaimed wood shelves. Style them with stacked white ironstone plates, glass jars of grains and dried herbs, and a small potted herb garden. Your refrigerator should ideally have a paneled front to blend seamlessly. Choose a 6-burner range in matte black or cream enamel for that professional yet rustic feel. Tuck a small capsule coffee machine on the counter beside a ceramic mug collection. Practical beauty at its finest. Lower cabinets in a European farmhouse kitchen do the heavy lifting, and they should look gorgeous doing it. Opt for shaker-style cabinetry painted in soft colors like pale duck egg blue, warm white, or muted olive green. Pair them with unlacquered brass or aged bronze hardware for an authentic, time-worn finish. Open the lower section with a few glass front cabinets to display your prettiest pieces. Between the cabinets and open shelves above, add a simple tongue-and-groove backsplash painted in crisp white. This layered approach, closed storage below, open display above, is the golden rule of farmhouse kitchen design: functional and breathtaking. Every farmhouse kitchen deserves a dedicated morning ritual corner. Carve out a small section of your counter for a petite espresso or capsule coffee machine. A matte black or cream-finished model looks especially beautiful here. Style the surrounding open shelf with a collection of mismatched ceramic mugs, a small glass sugar bowl, and a little sprig of eucalyptus in a bud vase. Store your coffee pods or beans in a labeled glass jar for that charming apothecary feel. This tiny corner becomes your daily moment of pause, and it photographs beautifully for those morning inspiration shots. Just saying. The family room bridges comfort and modern living in the most effortless farmhouse way. Mount a flat-screen television on a shiplap feature wall. The horizontal lines add texture without overwhelming. Frame it with simple floating shelves holding a curated mix of photo frames, small potted succulents, and a neutral ceramic clock. Below the TV, anchor the room with a large linen sectional or a pair of oversized armchairs. Layer a chunky jute rug underfoot and drape a waffle knit throw over the armrest. This is the room that says, "Come in, kick off your shoes, and let the evening unwind beautifully around you." Not every room needs one purpose, and farmhouse design celebrates this beautifully. Carve out a multifunctional corner for both a home office and a cozy reading nook. Choose a small, uniquely shaped desk, perhaps one in curved wrought tan or a rustic wooden secretary style, and top it with a miniature desk watch in antique brass for a charming, functional detail. A small vintage-style radio adds warmth and character to your work sessions. Beside it, create a reading nook with a deep linen armchair, a small stack of books, and a floor lamp with a linen shade. Work-life balance, beautifully designed. Open shelves only work beautifully when styled with intention, and here's your cheat sheet. Always work in odd numbers. Group items in 3s or 5s for visual rhythm. Layer heights. Tall vessels beside short stacked books beside trailing greenery. Mix textures freely. Smooth ceramic beside rough linen beside aged timber. Leave breathing room between objects. Negative space is not emptiness, it's elegance. For a summer farmhouse feel, incorporate dried botanicals, woven baskets, and soft terracotta. Rotate seasonal accessories easily since you're not opening cabinet doors. Your shelves should tell a story. Make yours one worth reading again and again. Your bedroom should feel like the most restorative room in the house. In European farmhouse style, this means layers upon layers of beautiful softness. Choose linen bedding in soft white or warm oatmeal, slightly rumpled, never stiff. A carved wooden headboard or an upholstered one in Belgian linen anchors the bed beautifully. Add an open shelf above a small dresser to display a ceramic lamp, a vase of dried pampas grass, and a stack of favorite bedside reeds. Choose bedside tables with a weathered wood finish. In summer, swap heavy drapes for sheer linen panels that flutter gently with the breeze. Heaven. It's the details that elevate a farmhouse bedroom from nice to absolutely unforgettable. Layer your bed with at least 3 different textures: a smooth linen duvet, a chunky knit throw, and a quilted coverlet folded at the foot. Style the nightstand with a small ceramic tray holding a candle, a bud vase, and a tiny trinket dish for jewelry. Hang a simple round macrame wall piece or a small vintage botanical print above the dresser. Choose a wooden framed mirror that leans casually against the wall. Small, thoughtful touches, a linen-wrapped hanger, a sprig of lavender on the pillow, transform the everyday into something quietly extraordinary. The farmhouse bathroom is where European elegance meets serene simplicity. For the shower, choose large format stone look tiles in warm grayish or pale marble, paired with matte black or unlacquered brass fixtures. A built-in shower niche styled with a bar of French milled soap, a small candle, and a sprig of eucalyptus creates an instant spa moment. At the vanity or wastafel, choose a vessel sink in white ceramic atop a reclaimed wood console. A framed linen towel, a glass soap dispenser, and a small apothecary bottle keep the counter styled and functional. Add a jute bath mat and a wooden ladder towel rack for that complete farmhouse finishing touch. Bathroom open shelving is both practical and deeply beautiful when done right. Mount 2 or 3 slim wooden shelves above the wastafel or beside the mirror. Style the top shelf with rolled white linen towels and a small ceramic bud vase. The middle shelf holds your apothecary essentials: glass bottles of cotton balls, a wooden soap dish, a small woven basket for hair accessories. The lowest shelf keeps everyday items within easy reach. Use a consistent color palette of white, natural wood, and soft sage green to keep things cohesive. In summer, tuck in a small bunch of dried lavender for fragrance and farmhouse charm. Yes, your garage can be a design moment, and in European farmhouse style, it absolutely should be. Paint the garage door in a deep charcoal or warm black to create striking contrast against a white exterior. Inside, install open wooden wall shelving for tools, gardening supplies, and storage baskets. Use labeled galvanized metal bins for seasonal items. Hang a simple pegboard with aged wood accents for organizing hand tools beautifully. A vintage-style lantern light fixture and a worn concrete floor seal the farmhouse aesthetic. Even functional spaces deserve care and intention, and a beautiful garage tells the world that your design commitment goes all the way to the last square foot. Summer farmhouse living reaches its peak on a beautifully designed patio. Create an outdoor living room with a weathered teak or eucalyptus dining table, surrounded by rattan or wooden chairs with linen cushions. String soft Edison bulb lights overhead for that golden hour glow that lasts all evening. Style a small outdoor shelf or potting bench with terracotta pots of herbs, a galvanized watering can, and a lantern or two. Add a vintage-inspired outdoor rug in natural tones underfoot. Drape a lightweight linen throw over a chair for those cooler summer evenings. This is where memories are made, and where farmhouse living feels most gloriously, joyfully alive. Before we wrap up, here are your essential European farmhouse design tips to carry home with you. Always choose natural materials first. Linen, jute, reclaimed wood, ceramic, and stone will never let you down. Build your color palette around warm neutrals: white, cream, sage, terracotta, and soft blue-gray. Layer textures rather than colors for depth and richness. Shop vintage and secondhand for character pieces that big-box stores simply cannot replicate. Keep your open shelves curated and intentional. Less is always more in farmhouse styling. And most importantly, let your home tell your story. Authenticity is the most beautiful design element of all. Let's quickly demystify some of the beautiful design language we've been using today. Shaker style refers to cabinetry with a simple recessed panel door, timeless and versatile. Wabi-sabi is a Japanese philosophy embracing imperfect, natural beauty, very aligned with farmhouse values. Tongue and groove describes interlocking wood planks used for walls and backsplashes. Apothecary styling uses glass jars and bottles to organize and display everyday items beautifully. Patina describes the natural aging and character that develops on metals and woods over time. Understanding these terms helps you shop smarter, communicate your vision to designers clearly, and feel confident in every single design decision you make. And there you have it, a full journey through a breathtakingly beautiful European farmhouse home, styled for the most gorgeous summer living imaginable. From that sun-kissed facade all the way to the patio string lights glowing at golden hour, every space told a story of warmth, intention, and simple, soulful beauty. I hope today sparked something wonderful in you, whether it's one new shelf, one new cushion, or a complete room transformation. If this video inspired you even a little, please give it a big thumbs up, Drop your favorite design moment in the comments below and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. See you next time.